If you click this video, you're probably wondering, how do I change my oil on a 2017 to present Audi A4 or Audi S4? Now it is the 3.0 supercharged, so we will go over all the materials we need, all the tools we need to make this as smooth and easy as possible without making this video too long. For the tools you need is a clip remover, a plus head screwdriver or tool bit if you need it, 10mm socket, and a 13mm socket. These are strictly for the plastic skid plate under the engine. A size 32 socket for the top oil filter cover. A T45 for the bottom oil drain plug. A ratchet for the size 32. And then a torque wrench for the bottom drain plug and the top oil filter cover. The materials you will need is a new oil filter, about 7.7 quarts of 0W20 oil, and a new washer. And this is all from the dealer, so it is certified dealer parts. First, you want to pull the latch to open the hood with the door open. Once that's done, we'll go in front. This will cause the hood to go up just about an inch. Push this towards the left side, and that will disengage the hood latch, and then raise up your hood. Next, take off your engine cover. It's held on by little push clips. Just pull up, and that's it. This will come off. You'll have 4 push clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get the engine cover off, the oil filter sits right here. Then you'll have the torque spec, 25 Newton meters. And then we'll open this up to create a better airflow when draining the oil. And just leave it off to the side, just like that. So to get to the oil pan, you need to remove a couple bolts. There's a plus, or you can do a 10mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a T25. T25, another 10mm. All the way down here, another 10mm. This one looks like a positive or plus, and then down there. There's a few bolts you need to remove to get this plastic cover off. So now that I got the plastic skid plate off, here's the oil pan with the drain bolt right there. So as the oil's draining, I want to make sure I unscrewed the oil cap from up top so it drains more smoothly. I will also unscrew a little bit of the oil filter as well. Your oil drain plug bolt, you want to take off the old washer and put in a new one. Out with the old, in with the new. And then we'll be torquing this down. For the bottom drain plug, it will be 22 foot-pounds of torque. There you go. 1, 2, all done. And what I like to do is just clean around it, make sure it's nice and clean for the next customer or the next tech. That way everything looks presentable and nice and sturdy. I'll take the old oil filter out. I want to make sure I change the rubber O-ring around the old oil filter cap. So I'll grab a tool like this, just take it off. I try to follow how it was before with the words out, and just like that. And then I'll put it back on. Oh. There you go. Click, 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 and that's good. Now that I have the bottom drain plug torqued, the top oil filter torqued, I can now fill up oil. I'm gonna get the oil bottles and pour 7.7 quarts. The engine cover back on. Make sure all the clips align back to where they go. They just clip in, bam, bam, and that's it. What I like to do after is make sure the engine cover looks nice and fresh, makes the car look cleaner. If you do want to spray it with something, make sure you use non-greasy spray. That way oil does not accumulate with dust and dirt. That's all for the engine bay. Next, we're gonna clear the dash. So once you're in the car, you wanna hit the home button, go to vehicle, then go to settings and service right up here. And then you'll go to service intervals, next oil change, you wanna reset that. Yes. Now it sets the next oil change to the next proper mileage and date. If that video helped you change your oil and oil filter on your 2018 to present Audi A4 or S4, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It does mean a lot. It helps me when I make these videos to help you guys. I know a lot of times we play cars in the auction or like, how do we do this? What tools do we need? Where is this located and whatnot? So this stuff really helps me as well as helps you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back for more.